Are you ready to go potty? Yeah, okay. So I'm looking a crazy mess right now. I have to, I'm about to take the dog out, one of them, and then we have to go to the grocery store today, which I'm actually super psyched about because there's like nothing in here. I mean, obviously there's food in here, but I have to hear that there's nothing to eat. So I'm gonna make some coffee, have a quiet time, let the dogs out, get Liliana dressed because I think the older kids are gonna stay home. And then go get dressed so we can go. Clearly I need to go to the grocery store because this is all the coffee I have left. This is tea in here, so I don't really drink tea. I'm not a tea drinker, but Brianna and Kevin are. So that's why there's tea in that one, but like all my coffee is gone. And I think I only have like a couple of like decaf and some like random coffees that I didn't like. And I just stuck them in there for like visitors or something. Yeah, it's literally just the little decaf cups. And I don't drink decaf coffee. I actually got it for my best friend when she came over when she was pregnant. So one of the last donut shops, I guess, is what I'll be making. Grocery shopping.
Dad, man, drop this in there.
You dropping stuff?
No, I dropped my glasses.
I think we're gonna need another cart. Oh, okay. Are you okay?
Yeah. Mommy, can I try it?
Try what?
Your camera. Hey, Mommy. I can hold it right here.
Be careful.
Be easy before you drop it.
Yee.
Recording stuff.
Hey.
Are you having fun? You having fun?
Yes.
Yeah. Can I put these underneath the cart now?
Yep.
Okay.
Ooh. Yep. Mommy, right here. It's right here. Mommy's right there. I can keep holding it. Can I keep holding it?
Well, you're flailing it around. Here. course, we had to make one more stop because what other store would Daddy want to go in besides Best Buy? So we're back from the grocery store and we have everything out. So now I gotta start breaking stuff down for meal prep.
Look at all that stuff, Mommy. Look at all this.
So I finished all of our meal prep. I just have a bunch of crock pot meals and meat separated so it's easy to come out for dinner. And then I got a rotisserie chicken because I'm actually going to use that for my own personal meal prep. And right now I'm about to make some taco bake for dinner, so just doing that now. Just have like a few other things I have to put away, but everything else is put away, so I'm gonna get dinner done and then clean up the rest of this mess and hopefully get everybody in bed. Dinner is done. Liliana, please stop blowing that whistle. She found a whistle. Don't know where she found it, but it has literally been a nightmare. Anyway, I just pulled the taco bake out of the oven, so I'm gonna let it cool for a minute, and then I will divide it up for everyone to come down and eat dinner so everybody can kind of calm down and get ready for bed. So that is just what I'm doing right now, and then I'm just watching some YouTube videos right now. And this one is running around. I need to clean up my living room again for the 4 millionth time, but I've been like cooking and meal prepping and everything else today, so I haven't gotten a chance to do that. But I did kind of tame all the dishes, so I just have like a few dishes. Liliana, the whistle, stop. The whistle is gonna be the death of me. I just have like a few dishes that I have to do later, and yeah, that is it. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm getting ready to get the kids downstairs so that they can eat dinner, and then hopefully everyone will lay down and go to bed pretty quickly. Fingers crossed for that one. But yeah, so that is it for this vlog. Let me know in the comments below any kind of videos that you'd like to see, and I will start to try and incorporate those onto my channel. Right now I've just been doing like vlogs and stuff, but I kind of want to get into like haul videos and stuff like that. So whatever you want to see, just let me know down in the comments below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you can get a notification every time I upload. I upload new videos every week. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.